I'm Anil Kumar. Here is a distance, speed, time application question on direct variation. For a constant speed, the distance run d meters varies directly as the time t seconds. If a bird can fly 56 meters in 5 seconds, how far can it fly in 12 seconds? That is the question for you. Now, it's an application of direct variation since we are given that for a constant speed, distance d, so distance variable is d, varies directly as time, means distance proportional to time. So whenever something is proportional, then it is equals to some constant times time. So this constant is the constant of proportionality, right? So this constant is constant of proportionality. So whenever you have a situation in which there is direct variation, there will always be a constant. So normally you could also rearrange this equation and can write constant k equals to distance, the dependent variable, divided by time, the independent variable. So that is a constant. So distance over time is a fixed ratio. That is what we understand from the given condition. And that is how you should understand direct variation. So in a way, that is the direct variation case, right? So whenever we have direct variation, in that case, constant of proportionality will have a fixed value, and the ratio of dependent and independent variable will always be constant, which is same as constant of proportionality. Now let's look into the question once again. It says, if a bird can fly 56 meters in 5 seconds. So distance is 56 meters, time is 5 seconds. How far can it fly in 12 seconds? These questions can be answered in two different ways, right? So we'll have two methods to answer them in this video. First one is, we can find what k is knowing distance and speed. So we can say k equals to distance over time, which is 56 meters divided by 5 seconds, right? So let's divide 56 by 5 seconds to get the value of k. 56 divided by 5 gives us in decimals 11.2. So that is equals to 11.2 meters per second, right? So that is speed, right? Ratio of distance and time is speed. Now the question is, how far can it fly in 12 seconds? So now we need to find distance. So distance is equals to k times t, right? K times t. K is 11.2 and time is 12 seconds. Let's multiply by 12 to get the answer. So we get 11.2 times 12 equals to, in decimals, 134.4 units are meters, correct? So that is how you can get answer. So this is one method. So method one is find k, right? And then solve for distance, right? That is our method one. Now let us do second method. Now method two basically is using proportions. Method two will be using proportions. So we'll use proportions. Since we know that the ratio d over t is constant, so what we are given is 56 meters by 5 seconds. We have 56 meters by 5 seconds is equals to, we want to find distance. We want to find distance and we are given 12 seconds, that ratio. So we can rearrange. So distance is equals to 56 meters times 12 seconds divided by 5 seconds, right? That is the distance, correct? So units also you can check, second cancel. So we have 56 times 12 divided by 5. So let me do 56 times 12 divided by 5 equals to, in decimals, 134.4. So we get the same answer, 134.4 meters, right? So either way you could do and solve this particular question. So there are always two methods to do direct proportion questions. One is find constant of proportionality and then evaluate. The second is you can use ratios to solve such questions. I hope that helps. Thank you.